Hello friend, subscribe my channel. Part 1 General question on mirror. Let's start. Do you like looking at yourself in the mirror? How often? Answer is for sure. I check my appearance whenever I could. So multiple time a day I would make sure I am looking good and energetic to start the day before I leave my house, and check it again when I am using washroom throughout the day. Second question, have you ever bought mirrors? Answer is well, frankly speaking, I have never bought any mirror in my entire life. This is mainly because I live with my parents in our house, which was fully furnished before I was born. Second answer, not really. I don't wear makeup, so I don't need a lighted makeup mirror. I just use the mirror in the bathroom. Do you usually take a mirror with you? I don't really do that. Although I am checking up myself throughout the day, I am not that obsessed with the mirrors. I would never bring one with me. Would you use mirror to decorate your room? I thought about it once a long time ago, but the idea was rejected by my mother due to some local beliefs that having mirror in the bedroom could bring bad luck or something. Therefore, I will never decorated my room with the mirror so and used frame painting instead. Do you think mirror are necessary or romance? Personally, I would say yes. A house is incomplete without a mirror. However, it is often for a personal use only simply because mirrors are often hung on the wall in the bathroom or in the bedroom. Where do you put mirrors? Well, in my room, mirror is attached to the wardrobe, so it is a convenient to stand contemplating myself in the mirror when trying on clothes. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the new journals topics.